What's up guys, Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2016 Kawasaki Vulcan S. Guys, this bike is awesome. I love this orange color. There are some goofy little things wrong with this bike. Not really wrong, I shouldn't say wrong. Tires are in good shape. Some goofy little scratches. A little scratch right there. Paint is fading a tiny bit on the pipe, probably from the heat. It does have a, these are what I'm talking about. It's got a little scuff right there. This is just some glue. Not glue, some sticker. Scuff right there. Scuff right there. Chip right there. Chips right there. Not a big deal, guys. Scratch right there. Not a big deal. That's what I want to point out. This bike is freaking awesome. Front wheel is in great shape. This bike has 7,787 miles on it. Runs amazing. Like I said, guys, 2016 Kawasaki Vulcan S. I showed you the chips in the front of the tank, the top of the tank there. Not a big deal. Tires are in good shape. Bike runs great. Let me know if it's something you're interested in, guys. Thanks a ton for watching.